forever and ever, then we would. Long as the guys will let us keep this loving going till we're all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. So hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me. Cause we don't want it to be the end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to be the end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer. Kiss me like it's the first time. Kiss me like you're still mine.
This is starting to wear on me. You've been raining down like hail. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you. Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the moon. The sun don't rise, all the light is gone from me and you.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face, say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face, say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell.